just amazing. So you guys tell me where I can find the best steak in town. Best steak in the world. We'll go to the world. And we'll travel to go see it. You tell me where the best steak is and I'll travel to go see it. To Miami, heading over to
Puerto Sagua Cuban Restaurant.
Okay, she said that well.
Yeah, but we're here. We're in Miami. South
Miami.
South
Sunny Miami. All right. See you there.
I don't remember the name of this place. This is a good weird name.
It's always that way.
Oh, that's really our common name. We can remember that. Puerto Sagua. And we all got the Cuban. There's a Cuban salad with some plantains, sweet juice. This place got good reviews on Google. Was it? 4.7? 4.6, 4.7.
And it looks recommended by our hotel, by the person at the hotel.
It looks very old school, but the food's good. Yeah, and it's right off of Collins. Collins is right outside.
Okay, so we just ate at the Puerto Sagua Restaurant. It's good. I noticed that some of the plates are freaking huge, like the big rice plates. We had just a Cuban sandwich, and it was really good. It was a normal Cuban
some
sandwich.
basic cooking, some basic good like home style Cuban cooking.
Okay, so this is Ocean Drive.
Ocean Drive, Southeast Miami.
All the restaurants that are outside of, right out on the sidewalk, which is really quite cool. Interesting fact that I thought that they had totally closed off Ocean Drive, and yet here we're seeing cars going on the street, so I'm not sure exactly what's going on with that. So evidently it's not very good. Okay, Elise, what is this Española Way?
Española Way is just a closed off street, and it's known for its Cuban food and outdoor cafes and sitting around.
Obviously, yeah, a lot of
there you go,
outdoor eating.
Española Cigars, right there, Rich.
And there's where we're going,
Right
Española
to the
Cigars.
Española Cigars.
Yep, that's right.
Espanola Cigars on Espanola Way. Yep.
Okay, wait.
And here we are. Thank you.
So, we're at Española Cigars.
Yeah.
And they actually have food and drink, which in Clearwater Beach, where we come from, that's not allowed. You have to have, you can do smoke, or not food and smoke.
Yeah.
They don't have food and drink. But here, yeah,
They've got all
this
kinds
is
of everything you want, like to go with your cigar, bourbons and scotches and cognacs. It's a great bar menu. Like a mojito. I think I might have wanted a mojito. It'd be nice and cool.
Yeah.
Something cold.
Okay, see you at the next place.
Called the Market, and look at how cool this place is. It's in Miami. So I ran into this place called the Market. Here it is. Look at takeout food, cheap way to grab a quick bite in Miami, and it's nice and cool in here.
Okay guys, tonight we're eating at Ole Ole Steak House here in Miami Beach. We'll let you know how it turns out. Hopefully it's good. It's got great reviews, by the way. It's got 4.9 stars out of 18,000 reviews. So I would say this might be a pretty good place. That's it in the background right there, right on the street, which is really nice. Nice setting.
Nice. We're at the Ole Ole Steak House. Our waiter was just here, he explained all this, but my fault, didn't have a camera. So I'll get to recap for you. At the steakhouse here, their specialty is steak. Right? But they're saying, he says, get the signature steak, your steak. Or you can get different kinds of meat. All right. Oh, that looks like a steak. You are
sorry, it's the original. It's okay?
You are competing with me on this steak fight. Okay, so dinner has arrived.
Yeah.
And what a dinner it is. There's a nice poorhouse, crazy, nice steak. Lisa's got the amazing hamburger. I bet you it's going to be really good. Second one. All right, the moment of truth. Definitely prime. Good steak. Excellent steak. Delicious. I'm going to say I would recommend this place. Or even at a first bite.
Okay, that was a great steak here at
I love it when he does this. It's becoming a thing now for us. He never remembers the name of any place we are.
Ole Ole Steakhouse. It just takes me a minute. Okay, so Ole Ole Steakhouse. Good steak, really good steak. But now here's my favorites. Number one.
Oh my God! Don't do that. That's not the time to do it.
It is the time to do it. It is.
Okay, good.
So, number one steak was in New York City at
Delmonico's. I shouldn't have said it because he wouldn't remember.
Delmonico's. Delmonico's in New York City. Best steak I've ever had. Second base steak I just had just recently was on Royal Caribbean, believe it or not, on a ship. And it was it was my second favorite. I don't remember the name of it, but it was an amazing steak.
Wonder of the Seas.
It was on the Wonder of the Seas. That's right, at their steakhouse. And I had a prime rib, or no. Ribeye. So I had a ribeye steak, and it was my second favorite ever. And believe it or not, my third favorite ever was on another cruise ship, which was on the Celebrity Beyond, and that was Chops. It was called Chops. It was called Chops. I remember the name of that one. And that was a bone-in fillet. And the bone-in fillet was really good. So that's my number one, number two, and number three.
And number four?
Number four is mine.
That's what I thought you were going to say.
My own personal steak from Costco. Believe it or not, it's from Costco. But they have really good prime steak, and I do it really well. So there you have it, my favorite steaks. Okay, so I'm throwing down the gauntlet. So you guys, you tell me where to find a better steak than Delmonico's in New York, or the steak I had at the Royal Caribbean and their steakhouse, which I can't remember the name of the steakhouse, but it was really good. And my steak is right up there with those two steaks. They're just amazing. So you guys tell me where I can find the best steak in town, best steak in the world. We'll go to the world, and we'll travel to go see it. You tell me where the best steak is, and I'll travel to go see it. Very good.